So now the drums are complete. Pastor David, thank you so much for this drum set. We're able to complete the drums. We are so excited to use this drum this 2 p.m. We will be the worship team will have our practice this coming 2 p.m. for our church annual Thanksgiving, and we can use this drum set. So Destiny Church, thank you so much for your donation, for your help to Pastor David so that he can send this drum set to the Philippines. Thank you so much. On behalf of worship team of PTCC Church, we would like to say thank you, Pastor David and Pastor Akati, and to all the members of Destiny Church Canada. Thank you so much.